Hey guys, it's Andrea with Sucs For You, and I wanted to show you something really cool that happened last night. I hope you watch to the end because it gets really crazy. This is a dragon fruit flower. It started opening yesterday, and I was like, I'm not missing this one. We're gonna watch it all night long. How incredible is this dragon fruit flower beginning to open tonight? And guess what? It is fragrant, and it smells stronger right now down in here than right in the middle. Um, and I think the scent will develop, but it's indescribable. Comparing to like other cactus flowers I've smelled before, I don't know how to describe it. So if you've smelled one of these dragon fruit flowers before, my phone just stopped because it's too hot. Okay, anyways, if you've smelled one of these before, how would you describe the fragrance? It's not sweet. It's like mature and green while being like, I don't know, like, I don't, I don't even know. Oh, and it's getting stronger, so it's like grapefruit without the fruit. It has this, like, it kind of grabs your, it like grabs your nose, and then like kind of has like a, a tonic, like if, oh, I don't know, help me out. Wow. I just saw like a cool moth, maybe like a sphinx moth, but I don't see it right now, so I'm wondering if it's over here. Look at this. It's a beast, you guys. This is 11:45 p.m. Okay, I'm gonna smell it. Oh, oh my gosh. Hey. Oh, what? What the fuck? Okay. Oh my goodness. That was a moth. That was like a sphinx or hummingbird moth in there. So I'm not gonna stay long. The smell is incredible. Like a rich ant on a yacht. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna leave. Oh, its eyes are glowing. Okay, I don't have the light on, but I see the moth. It's flying, like, in across the driveway. It's coming back. Did not mean to interrupt, friend. Like, the smell is so intoxicating. It's not. There's no way this thing could stay away. It's hard enough for me to stay away. It smells so good. That was crazy. I didn't know a moth could fit all the way down in there like that. Like a big moth. At first I thought it was maybe like a beetle or something. I can smell it from 6 feet away. Oh, it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I've been thinking about, like, how do I describe the smell? And again, I think it's like your very successful, rich aunt on her yacht with like all her like sunscreens and creams and fancy fragrance brands like slathered all over her. It's so strong, but it's nice, you know? It's like, you really like it. Okay, I'm gonna go inside and hope this moth finds his way back. That was wild. It's 11:45 p.m. Okay, I'm gonna smell it. Oh, oh, oh my gosh. Hey.